Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter, and today we're going to do a plan with me in my mini happy planner. I'm going to be using the Love Potion kit, with the mini and the full kit from Savannah Paper Co. She adds also these amazing cute little date dots, which is awesome. Yes, even with her like mini kits, and it comes with a sampler, and she always adds some amazing goodies. So yeah, the sampler is really super adorable. The mini kits, like she adds so much amazing, cute little details. Like, can you tell me how cute is that? So right now, you just finished watching the mini kit. Now you're going to be watching the full kit, and it has like checklists, little boxes, little things. Yeah, so it's just amazing. And then she has like little icons separate that are cute little sparkles. And then she also has like the word on cans. So right now I'm just going to be covering up that little spot. It's crooked and I try to take it off. That's another reason why I sped up this video, because I was riding the Hot Mess Express bus train today. Seriously, guys, it was just crazy. Anyways, I am also kind of like preoccupied my brain. This is the full kit. I'm going to be using the date covers because it has more blue than anything. And this week, apparently, my son is turning 16. Yes, I'm feeling extremely old. So, yeah, so we're going to try and get these date covers as straight as possible. So I was talking to Karina from Savannah Paper Co. and I was letting her know that um, I was looking at some videos and some, not videos, I meant to say some groups, and they were saying how they can't find a kit, to fit their mini happy planners. So I kind of wanted to do this video to show everybody that this is a cute little alternative that you can use with or without the dots. Date covers. So I'm going to be using the mix of the full and the mini. I also want to mention that I am using, what is this? The extender pack from Happy Me and My Big Ideas. This is not the standard paper that comes with in the planner. It's undated. I don't know if this was the first gen or second gen, because I know that there was some differences in spacing and all this other stuff, but I'm gonna make it work. So you may have to do a little bit of planner surgery, but it totally works, you guys. It really does. So now I'm putting on the date dots and I'm trying to remember, okay, this is where everything goes. So I'm gonna just be planning from the first to the second, and everybody's like, why do your date dots, your dates look weird? Because I always try to save space. So wherever the first is, whether it's on the Monday, if it's on a Saturday or Friday, that's where my first date that will go. So yeah. So as you can see, that's not straight, but I'm like, you know what? I am gonna struggle. Then I'm like, okay, so that cover is not, and so I'm just gonna do 3 and 3. And thank goodness I recounted, because I almost cut it a little wonky. So I'm just going to put a little bit of top flag over there and the bottom half over there. And this is the Savannah Paper Co. Mini, not the mini, this is the medium album. And I'm hoping and praying that she comes with a, so that is a pizza night for Saturday, as you can see. I don't have a taco night for Friday. I wish I had like just, like a little taco, even though I do have the taco kit, which I will be using very soon. I think I'm going to use that one for my print impressions, but definitely I have enough of this kit to use also for February as well. I'm also using some social media stickers from Sweet Kawaii Design. These are her teeny weeny social media stickers. And so I'm going to start with the right hand side, as you can see. And again, I'm really sorry about my ring light. I can't believe that I didn't place it right. I should have been paying attention, but I was kind of rushing. I don't know why. I felt like I was rushing through this video. So anyways, so I'm going to be cutting the flags up and kind of making them look different. And I'm going to be using some checklists, the 3 checklists, quarter boxes, half boxes. So again, Monday is a Instagram / upload, and I think also Sunday is like share your spread for Facebook, and I also share my spread on Instagram. So that's what I'm doing. Here we go. I'm trying to like use all the different colors, even though I love that green and blue, but I also am like committed to be using all of this kit. So I will be adding the pink. I decided not to add the washi because I kind of felt like the colors that were already on the pages match kind of okay. You know, it wasn't the best, but I was like, all right, I'll do. You know, normally I'll add a little washi. I really, 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 really would love that little thin washi. So I'm going to be adding a computer for Thursday to remind me that is a blog day. And also I think I can't remember if I add a Twitter or a Facebook, because I want to break up my like social media stuff. Like I don't want to add just, you know, because I kind of feel like I don't use, if I add it like just like let's say for Monday, if I add everything Monday about the video, then like I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, like I really don't feel like I get everything done or I forget to add it. So I figured let me just add a bunch of little different social medias. So I add when I put a video on Instagram. Facebook, I think I do it Wednesday or Thursday. I can't really remember at this point because the stickers are so teeny weeny and the light is in the way, so that really wonks. I apologize. I am using some sparkles, which I called sprinkles by accident, but it's sparkles. And there are the quarter boxes, or no, those are the half boxes. Excuse me, I'm still trying to remember all this terminology. And I know for Wednesday I use a sweet kawaii recycling sticker. And I'm just kind of like, my cat wants to talk to me right now. I'm like, no, we are doing a video. So I'm trying to like break it up, like put the flag on this side or flag on this side, or you know what I mean. So, yeah, I was supposed to punch those things out for my little mini planner, but I really love using my sticker book. So that is my video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will have pictures on Instagram, Facebook, and all that good stuff. And that is a Hello Kitty clip that I got from my auction box. And if you haven't checked that video out, please go check them out. And go check out Savannah Paper Co. because this kit is the bomb. It's non-traditional and it's so cute, and really had so much fun with this. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave your comments down below. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.